Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome to episode 24 of Huerta Urbana. I mean, it's hard to believe that it's episode 24 of Huerta Urbana. How time flies. The question is, are we enjoying it? Are we enjoying this time as it flies by? I mean, I can say sadly, of course, I say this sadly, but no, I'm not. There are moments that I do feel that I am truly not. Of course, there's moments that I do enjoy also, but I'm learning. I'm learning and getting better at having more moments where I can actually say, yes, I am enjoying my short amount of time I have here on planet Earth. And one of the things that's helping me is the garden. That's one of the things that helped me so much. I'm so grateful for this little teeny piece of land that I have here and the opportunity that I have to work the land, and also the opportunity to share this moment with all of you that are actually watching, because yeah, there are some difficult times in life, but let's try and enjoy as much of it as we can. And the more we enjoy it, the better off we are. And the garden is a great way to do that. And it isn't just playing in the dirt that helps me so much. As you're going to see in this video, there's another part. What happens afterwards? What happens after you play in the dirt? You're going to be able to see what I do after I play in the dirt. And it doesn't only help me, but it helps the people around me too. So you'll have to watch. And you'll also get to see my backyard's coming along in this video. In last video, I told you that I was going to plant some garlic that actually sprouted while I was in the fridge. Well, I planted it, and now you're going to see how it's coming. I haven't showed much about my front yard garden yet because there's not much to see yet. But changes are coming, and you're going to see how my front yard garden has changed and how I'm planting my front yard garden also. So this one's about my backyard garden, how it's progressing, the garlic, and also everything else that I have growing in the backyard. So enjoy this episode 24 of Huerta Urbana. Hey everybody, what's up? Got some pretty cool things to show you here in the backyard in my planterbox garden. Check them out. First of all, beyond stoked, beyond happy, that is a mango tree. And not only a mango tree, but a seed from a mango tree, a mango here in Rosario. So that's it's acclimatized and everything to this region, to this subtropical region. So that's it. It's coming. Got some new leaves. The other one right there, they're having a hard time because it's been a little cooler. There's the other one, and I see some new leaves coming off, but I put them more in the sun to help them out. Another thing I wanted to show you today, my wife made my wife made a food called tarte with these leaves, which are basil leaves. I mean, look at this plant. It's enormous. It's beautiful. I've been giving a lot of leaves away because there's so many, and just beyond good. And that right there, I planted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 garlics, and we got some garlic coming up in the planter boxes. So we'll have some garlic soon too. And the only surviving tomato, I'm letting it grow. I'm still going to plant some lettuce in there because I don't know how long I'm going to let it live, because we're into the fall garden now. And look at this explosion. I mean, it's just incredible. We've probably eaten about 25 jalapenos. There's probably another 80 on that plant, no joke. I mean, you can see a couple are turn red, like that one, and there's a couple down here that are turning red, but there's jalapenos all over this plant. We've already eaten a lot of them, but yeah, it's crazy. I mean, that was my very last seed, and look what it did for me. I mean, just hooked me up. I mean, look at all. I hope you can see all of them. Hope the sun's not getting in the way. Here's another pepper plant that are also kind of spicy. That was actually given to me. It's a lot of little on that side too. Got a lot coming up, as you can see. There's the leeks, and you can see here. See, these are transplants from the leeks that I took out last time. So those are coming back. And, well, there's that pepper plant. That's the same pepper plant as this one. And of course, the comfrey leaves. I take a lot of these comfrey leaves and I'm throwing back into the pots now to keep the pots as fertile as possible. But just incredible the amount of jalapenos I got from this plant. Just crazy. Good times. Look what I found in the garden. How many cooking with? Found a couple jalapenos and some leeks. Make a nice little salsa. Well, there you have it. Salad of arugula from the garden, which is pretty tasty. I already tried it. And there's the salsa. Should be a little picante, salt, but it should be pretty good. Well, I hope you enjoyed the episode. What I'd like to ask before I finish this episode is, if you've been watching the last episodes, you know that I'm writing a book. It's called Playing in the Dirt. Well, I want to call it Playing in the Dirt. That all depends on what you guys think about the title. But I would like you to help me out. Comment in the comment section. Let me know what would you like me to write about in that book, and anything else that you could think of that would help me make this the best book, the best product that can help you learn from the importance of us playing in the dirt. Again, thanks for watching the video, and don't forget you can get a lot more information if you go to pastosverdesfarm.com. That's my webpage. You can see my podcast there. You can also see my first book that I wrote, The 4 Pillars of Health, and anything else that I'm doing, you can find at my webpage, pastosverdesfarm.com. And if you want to get in contact with me quickly, just go to my Instagram, BenPageDC. There, I usually check it once a day. So if you do write me, I'll usually get back to you the same day. So we will see you next time on Huerta Urbana.